Today we're making honey garlic chicken, and this recipe was so easy to make. I started off by cutting around the tendon and the tenderloins, and then cut the tenderloin in half if it was too big. I also cleaned it up by removing any fat or anything like that I would find on it. Once all your chicken is cut, then you're ready to start seasoning. I seasoned it with salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and then cayenne pepper. Once you have all that, then you're going to mix, making sure that all your chicken is well coated. I then added some flour, some garlic powder, and some complete seasoning along with 1 cup of buttermilk. And then a little more cayenne pepper. The cayenne pepper just gives it that little kick and it's so good. And then you're going to go ahead and mix again, making sure that everything is well incorporated. You're then going to add some vegetable oil to your skillet, and once it's really hot, you're going to start adding your chicken. You're going to cook on both sides for a good 4 to 5 minutes, depending on how brown you like your chicken. I like mine very brown, so I cooked mine for about 5 minutes on each side. In the same skillet, you'll have a little bit of oil left. It's okay. You're going to start making your honey garlic sauce in that same skillet. So I went ahead and added 4 tablespoons of butter. I added some garlic paste and just made sure that I mixed it really well. And then I used raw honey. I made sure my honey was completely dissolved before I went ahead and added my soy sauce. Don't worry, I'll have all the measurements in the description below. I added that soy sauce, and then I added about 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar and mixed really well. Once the sauce has thickened, then you're going to go ahead and start adding your chicken in slowly, and then you're going to stir little by little, making sure that it's all well coated. And you're only going to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, and your dinner is done. You can serve this over white rice. You can serve it with some mixed vegetables or even over some noodles. If you're new and you like easy recipes, please consider subscribing, giving this video a like. It really helps on my channel. I served ours over white rice and of course sprinkled with a little sesame seed just for presentation. I hope you enjoyed this easy honey garlic chicken recipe. Don't forget to come back next week for another easy recipe.